To set secure folder autofill service as Google in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find biometric and security, and then tap biometrics and security. Scroll down, find secure folder. Select secure folder, and then tap more settings. Tap autofill service. Okay. With your permission, autofill service can remember information such as your usernames and password and fill them in automatically when apps ask for them. Select Google. Make sure you trust this app. Google will be able to see what's on your screen in all apps to determine what can be filled in automatically. Tap OK if you're sure. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.